short, sweet video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thumbs up and like are the same. I don't know why I always say that. Hi, all you beautiful, lovely people. This is Jeannie, and I am here today to, let me back out a little bit. Let me start over. Hi everybody, it's Jeannie, and today I am opening my Sweet Sparkle box. I think that this box is like 25 or 26 a month, which, and it may not be that much, it may only be under like 15, but I can't really remember. I'll have to look it up. I'll try to put a link below with the price. But this is what it has in it. It says Spring Fever, and on the back it gives you the price of everything in the box. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's $26 or $26.50. First in the box is an e.l.f. product, which it was funny because we had a discussion on somebody's live channel, actually on 2 different live channels, about receiving subscription boxes with drugstore products in them. So this box is made up about 50-50 of drugstore, because e.l.f. is definitely a drugstore brand. This is the, I can't see. I have to get it closer. Alright, e.l.f. Cosmetics Mineral Infused Mascara, and this says that it has a $3 retail value. Okay, next is a brow mascara by Kokie in clear, and this is $7 value. I haven't opened any of them. There's an image of it. I have, again, so much stuff. I don't know whether I'm going to keep any of this or not. I have not decided. Okay, next, this is an LA Girl. I can't say that very well. I called it a ghoul one day. A grill. Everything but girl. I don't know. Okay. And it's a very iconic box, seeing it, because in my 1K giveaway there's an eyeshadow palette and it looks the same. But this is a blush, and it says that this is a $5 value, and it is called Just Dazzle, which, is it sealed? Yes, it has tape over the end, so I'm not going to open it, but it's really pretty. It's a real pretty color. Don't break anything. Almost broke something. Okay, then here in a little tiny box is Luna by Luna Shadow Plum, and this says it is a $15 value. Open that up. Let's see, this one doesn't look like, yeah, you can see the color a little better. I'm not going to swatch though. And I have one last item in here. And this is Make Up Love La Prime Gloss VI Peach. And see if I can open it without tearing up the box, because I'm famous for tearing up the boxes. Oh crap, hold on. Just made myself dizzy moving my head like that. I've had vertigo so bad. I've been having to take meclizine for it. This is doesn't do it good. I've had a history of vertigo though. And anyway, so, but yeah, it's just that time of year because of the sinuses. I've got fluid in this ear. That is a gorgeous color. Why does it have fur on it? But anyway, that is really pretty. I like the end with the little jewel. I guess, can y'all see that? There's a gemstone there. Again, I'm not going to swatch Although I may keep this because I don't have a lot of peach colors for me, but then I don't know. So if we go by, which I actually think this was on sale on their website for like $4.99. But even so, if we say 15 for the eyeshadow, 5 for that, that's 20. The Kokie Brow, that's 27. So that's already the box. And then you have the LA Girl for 5 and the e.l.f. So that's another 8 or 3. So it's another 8 though with those. But if you go with the 15 for that, then I mean, yeah, it's a, let me see if y'all can see that there. So let me know what y'all think about the Sweet Sparkle. So far my favorite box is the Look Fantastic box, which comes from England. I thought it was going to take a while because it does have to go through customs and things, and in the box I'll have a custom declaration where it goes through and stuff. But it came the same day as my Ipsy Glam Plus bag, so, and that ships from the US. So they're pretty quick on getting it out, and I'm really excited about that one. I hate to talk about it since this was for Sweet Sparkle, but the Easter one that's coming out for April, it's eggs. So all your product that you're getting, I think there's 7 items in it, and they're going to be in little eggs. And the box is, I believe, round instead of the squares that I've been showing y'all. But I mean, this is this cute little box. Lots of little items in here. So again, just let me know what you think, and that is it for today. My eye look is, which I'll try to put the link if I remember. I probably won't remember. My sister-in-law gave me a Mary Kay eyeshadow palette, and that's what's on my eyes. So other than that, hopefully that's a short, sweet video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thumbs up and like are the same. I don't know why I always say that. Leave a comment below if you want to get entered into the Easter giveaway or the 1K giveaway. There will be links for those. Also, if you let me know what your favorite, let's see, what have we talked about? You know, just let me know what your hobby is. I have tons of hobbies. I am so ADHD, it's not even funny. I just have always just done everything. I jump from one thing to another. I never finish. So yeah, I mean, I do finish things. I do. Well, I haven't done it in years because of raising children and stuff, and it's kind of hard to do a lot of art projects when you have kids, but I do gourd art. So maybe one day I will show y'all my gourds if anybody's interested. And I don't have a lot of them anymore. I'd have to pull up pictures, but I do have some gourds still here at the house. So if y'all are interested, I can show you those. I also do crafting, paper craft. So let me go up. Can y'all see the craft paper over there? And then down there in those boxes is y'all's giveaway items. Okay, so besides doing greeting cards, making gourds, let's see, not just greeting cards, but just paper crafting in general. I didn't even show y'all what's on that side of the office because I have that thing over there that was a whole deal of cardstock. That there is mainly, that's not cardstock. I guess it should say that's, I went blank. I don't know what it's called. It's decorative paper. They're 12 by 12. The cardstock is actually up under this desk to my right. Also, there's makeup down here. There's, I'm trying to keep it organized. Stamping Up. That is, oh, it's dirty. There's my stamp cleaner. So I do stamping as well. I like to create boxes from scratch with cardstock and stuff. I have a whole, just massive amounts of stamps and ink pads. I have a whole, can you hear that? A whole thing that rotates around with ink, and it's just solid full of ink pads. I used to sell Stamping Up, so I've got a ton of it. And not just Stamping Up, I have other brands as well. But anyway. So yeah, just let me know what your hobby is, what you like to do. Again, like I said, I do a little of everything because I'm a video gamer. That may shock some people, but yes, I game. And a shout out to my friend Chop. And his wife Caitlin. I love you guys, miss you guys. So yeah, he was my first friend that I met through Xbox playing 3 or 4 years ago. So it's been a while. That's about it. Enough about me. Enough about me. This was about the Sweet Sparkle. Let me know what you think about my Sweet Sparkle box. Let me know what you think about my Look Fantastic box. There was a video for this month in there, and I also put my Ipsy Clam pluses on there. I think that's the only 3 that I get right now. I did get the Walmart beauty box, but I didn't make a video of it. And it was actually not bad. It had some pretty good items. I've got some new ones coming though, so I'm excited about those. One of them was only $10 a month, and it includes a sterling silver piece of jewelry. I don't remember the name of it now. I don't remember if it was on, it was probably on both, either the My Subscription, I can't remember the whole website for that one, and then there's also the My Joy. Oh my god, I can't remember. But anyway, so I just was going through there looking and reading up on different boxes and finding things, and so I've signed up. I was going to do the How to Be a Redhead because my natural hair is actually sort of red, but brown with red tones. But I was white when I was a child. I was white-headed. But I hadn't got that one yet. But I can't remember what are the other ones I ordered. I ordered 3 or 4 the other day to come in. So hopefully my husband doesn't find out because he won't be happy. Alright, I will let y'all go.